Hi everyone, this is Arad from English for Everyone, and today in this video I'm going to talk about this proverb in English, that idiom or proverb, and that is: the grass is greener on the other side of the fence. The grass is greener on the other side of the fence. Sometimes it is mentioned like this: the grass is greener on the other side, and of the fence is not mentioned, and even sometimes shorter than this, and that is, people might tell each other, the grass is greener, and because it's well mentioned again and again in their lives, they know what the speaker is on about, so the speaker is on would just shorten it and say the grass is greener, and leaves it to the listener to go further and find the other bit. So, because it is familiar with, when something is familiar between some people, they just need to mention the beginning of that, because it's a long one. Sometimes there are some jokes, there are some stories, there are some things that some people know about. Let's say something has happened and you and your colleagues know about this, and you just mentioned a bit of that thing about that, just a bit of that story, and the rest know what you are on about. You say the neighbor, and they all know what you are on about, because neighbor is like a code between you guys. So when you say neighbor, they all read what you say. They read between the lines. Okay, that's another idiom. So yeah, the grass is greener when it is told between the ones that all know what this is, or the grass is greener on the other side. And what does it mean? Well, this is said to people, or said when talking about this situation about people, when think that people or other people have, about people that do not have, are not satisfied with what they have. Okay, let me tell that once again. When some people are not satisfied with what they have and always think that other people have got better ones, better situation, better clothing, better jobs, better relationship and other things, then we say this to them. Okay, imagine for example twins. Okay, you have twins, let's say two boys, exactly the same size. You buy a shirt, identical shirt for the two, exactly the same thing. You buy two of the same item, and you give to both of them, to each. What happens? A says, oh, B has got a better one, and B says, I don't like this, A has got a better one. They always think that what the other one has is a better one. You have a car and your neighbor also has one. You always think that he has got a better one, and he thinks you've got a better one, and mine is crap. These kind of things. In these cases, we say the grass is greener, or sometimes we say the grass is always greener on the other side. Means they're the same, but to the person, the other one is always better. Always think these kind of people always think, generally, we think that the other side, the other people have got better ones. Okay? So now let me give you an example, then it will be more clear. Person says, I think I'd be happier teaching in Spain. Oh well, the grass is greener on the other side. And this one doesn't have the final bit, and that is clear what the person is on about. So when the person clearly is teaching, and the person thinks that if he would teach in a different country, he would be happier. But the reality, or the other person, or himself replying to himself, says that, well, teaching is teaching, even if I'm teaching here or Spain is the same thing, and there is nothing like being happier because of changing the country. That is all in my mind. That is something that I'm thinking about. That is all the same. Okay, it is more beautiful when you look at it from here, but when you do that from there, you can see that this is the same thing. Okay, so let's look at this one. A says, I hate my job. All I do is writing letters and calling customers. I'd love a job like yours. A is not satisfied with his job. A thinks that B has got a better one. This is the case. Lots of people are like this, always think that the other one has got a better one. Whatever thinks of. Thinking of a job, they think that other people have got better ones. Thinking of cars, they think that others have got better, and lots of other things. And life as well. So, I hate my job, I love a job like yours. B says, the grass is greener on this side, huh? The grass is greener on this side. The person calls other side this side because he is compared to A's job. He is compared to A's life. Okay, so he finds himself on the other side, which has got greener grass. In this case, that's why he says this side instead of that or other side. It's mainly other side, but this person changed that cleverly. Alright, so that was today's lesson. I hope you have got what this is about. Of course you have got it. And if there is any questions, anything like that, let me know. If it was not clear, let me know. And if you have an idiom like this or a proverb in your language, that would be great if you commented below this video and let me learn that. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.